Okay, let's go through how to properly apply your hair serum. This is our sample. I've already identified some things I like about it, some things I don't, but I'm gonna show you. So my greatest concerns, and a lot of women, we face the same thing. Women have different needs than men, and truly, application, you're gonna apply it in all the areas, but my main areas are the middle part. Usually where you part your hair the most is where you start seeing a little thinning. And then these areas here. From hair pulling, the more you pull your hair, the more you put your hair up, it really just stresses the hair and it creates a little bit of thinning. Nothing out of the ordinary, but again, this is where the hair serums really help in kind of going in and reinforcing these areas that you do create a little bit of stress in with your daily wear and tear of styling and drying and just going through whatever your schedule is for your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead, get a little bit. I'm going to apply it down the middle. Once I do that, I am going to massage it. This is a nice little time to kind of take some time for yourself always. Then I'm gonna go in. I like to go down here. This is why, for me, one of the most important parts was not to make it oily. I get this back part too, guys, is because I'm not going to wash my hair today. I washed it yesterday, and I am not going to, dry it. So I can't have an oily product that leaves my hair oily. I need something that dries with my hair and doesn't make my hair look oily. So what I like to do is I go ahead, I massage it really well. Now, my trick is, and I'm going to take you over here. Sorry, I should have placed it where I have my blow dryer. But I like to get my blow dryer when I'm done applying the hair oil. I like to dry it in. The reason I personally do this again is, once again, I'm not planning on washing my hair today. I washed it yesterday. I want to be able to do this and be able to go. And that is why one of the things that I'm really watching for is the consistency. At this point, I like it. Here, it gets still a little bit wet. I have to go in with a brush. I'm getting feedback from the people testing it. Some people have told me they feel it is a little bit oily. I think maybe if you have oilier scalp, you may find it a little bit oilier, even though the consistency so far, I think is great. It's more, to me, it seems very much like a serum, not like an oil. But I am gonna work on that with the lab and tell them, maybe try to make it a tad bit less oily. I personally love it. I mean, as you could see, I just did it and I'm able to go about. I don't have to wash my hair, and yet I am doing the hair serum, so I'm treating my hair. So that's an update on our latest sample, and we will continue to give you guys updates as we go.